Welcome to TechExpress. In today's tutorial, let's explore how to create a stunning and free landing page using Canva, perfect for the 2023. So whether you're prompting a product, hosting an event, or capturing leads, a well-designed landing page is crucial. So Canva's user-friendly interface is making this process accessible to everyone. So let's start building your landing page. First of all, getting started with Canva. Now, first of all, you need an account of Canva. I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description so you can all sign up totally for free. And once you have logged it in, you wanted to create a new design into the upper side. And here, what you wanted to do is to type the option that says website or just write it down. So here how with website, photographic websites, Canva offers a variety of website templates, including one specifically for the actual landing page. If you don't see it in here, you can just type landing page, and you want to make sure that appears directly inside the editor here. Let's go for website landing. And here we go. So you want to make sure they have the icon of the website. So choose it, and now you are inside the design of a website, but here into Canva. So there you go. Now choosing and customizing a template. So what you wanted to do is to browse through Canva templates in here and pick one that aligns with your goal. Look for a design that matches your brand and the message of your landing page. Let's see, for example, that we are into this one. And all of that information is going to be just drag and drop really easily. Now, adding the key elements to your landing page. A good landing page should have a clear headline, engaging content, and a strong call to action. Use Canva text tools to create compelling headlines and add details about your offer, your events. You can change the quality of the images here. I can change the colors, I can change the fonts, everything that has to be with my actual brandy company. So you want to include, of course, high quality images. You want to include graphics to make the page more engaging here. And once you're happy with your design, it's time to get the landing page online. So finalizing and publish your landing page. Canva allows you to publish website with a unique Canva URL. However, for a more professional looks, you want to consider using a custom domain. But first of all, you want to make sure that your links actually work. So what you wanted to do is to type here where it says link, and here enter a link or searched. So usually what everybody does is to choose the actual link. Let's go, for example, and open any tab. And here what I want to do is to go directly into my Shopify store, which in this case is actually this one. So now that I'm here into my Shopify, what I wanted to do is to choose the custom URL that I have just selected here. So I'm going to go here into my store. In this case is this one. So I copy it, I go back, and I enter the link here. And there we go. So now as you can see, here's in the upper side the actual link. So here what you wanted to do is to do exactly the same thing with all the actual links, all the buttons. So for example, here the services, what are your actual projects, the seminars, the contact. And after you are okay with that, let's go now into share, download. And you can download this and import this into your new file, or what you can do is to just choose the option that says published, since this is an actual website. And here it should be now, of course, created your website. So preview your landing page to ensure it looks great on the different devices, then hit into publish when you're ready to go live. And of course, you want to make sure that the URL are actually working. So I click here and do About Us, and it took me into my actual website. So it actually looks really great. Just like that, we have created a beautiful and functional landing page using Canva. So this tool, guys, is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to build website pages without the hassle of complex software. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to Express. Have any tip experience with Canva? Share them into the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Good luck with a new landing page. Stay tuned to TechExpress for more creative and easy to follow guides. Hopefully, guys, we're going to all see you next time.